It feels like ages since we've seen anything new in GoPro's 360-degree lineup. Back in 2019, the first GoPro Max made a huge splash, giving creators a fresh way to capture immersive, all-around footage. But as the years went by, the Max line went silent, almost like GoPro had abandoned the idea altogether. Meanwhile, the Hero series kept getting annual updates, leaving many fans wondering if GoPro was done with 360 cameras for good. Now, the wait is finally over. GoPro has officially teased the long-anticipated Max 2. And this time, it's not a leak or a rumor. It's a real official reveal. The teaser shows off a product that looks redesigned, refined, and ready to face a market that's evolved dramatically since 2019. Today on Lenz Loop, we're diving into what the Max 2 could deliver, the key upgrades GoPro needs to nail, and why this might mark their true comeback in the 360 space. The teaser dropped in early July. Gave fans plenty to talk about right away. Unlike past vague hints, GoPro actually showed the camera itself. And the first thing you notice? The design. The Max 2 looks sleeker, slimmer, and far more modern. The dual-lens 360 setup is still there, but the body is noticeably more refined, lighter, easier to pack, and more convenient for mounting on helmets, bikes, or handheld rigs. Compared to the original Max, which at times felt bulky, this new form feels like a direct response to what today's creators need. But design is just the surface. The real excitement lies in performance. The original Max topped out at 5.6K resolution, which was strong in 2019. But since then, the 360 industry has moved forward, with rivals offering sharper and more flexible video. It only makes sense for GoPro to step up, delivering higher resolution that lets creators crop, reframe, and still keep professional level detail. For editors, that means more freedom to craft immersive stories without compromise. One of the biggest potential game changers here is AI-driven features. Imagine recording a single 360 clip and having the camera, or its companion app, automatically reframe the best shots for you. Auto-framing powered by AI could track moving subjects, highlight cinematic angles, and save hours of manual editing. That kind of accessibility would make 360 content creation approachable for beginners while still exciting advanced users. And then there's subject tracking. Being able to lock onto a mountain biker flying down a trail or a child running across a backyard and keep them perfectly framed would make the Max 2 incredibly versatile. Pair that with GoPro's already impressive stabilization, and we could be looking at some of the smoothest, most dynamic action footage ever captured in 360. Software is another critical area. Hardware matters, but in today's market, the editing experience often makes or breaks a 360 camera. Competitors already offer intuitive apps that make reframing, tracking, and sharing seamless. For GoPro to truly reclaim the spotlight, the Max 2 software needs to match or exceed that standard. Think predictive editing, instant highlight reels, and maybe even voice-guided tools inside the app. A polished, AI-powered editing experience could be what wins over creators who want professional-looking results without endless hours of editing. What we're seeing here isn't just a minor refresh. The Max 2 feels like GoPro's way of saying they're back in the 360 game. Smarter, more refined, and tuned into what creators expect in 2025. This is no longer just for adrenaline seekers. With the right mix of hardware and software, the Max 2 could appeal to vloggers, travelers, families, and anyone who wants to capture their stories in a more immersive way. So where does that leave us with the GoPro Max 2? Based on what we've seen in the teaser and GoPro's own track record, this doesn't feel like just another upgrade. It feels like a return to form. A lighter, more portable design, smarter features powered by AI, and an editing experience that might finally make 360 content creation effortless for everyone. If you ever thought about trying 360 video, or if you've been holding on to your original Max, waiting for a true successor, the Max 2 might be exactly what you've been waiting for. It has the potential to be one of the most exciting camera launches of the year, not just for professionals, but for anyone who loves capturing moments in bold, creative ways. That's it for today's breakdown. Drop your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Lenz Loop for more updates and in-depth reviews.